think positive, and like we always think we can do that, and like we think, hello, my name is Sahil. I'm from India. Where are you from?
Nice to meet you. I'm from the United States. Uh, Do you know
Okay.
Ohio?
Yes, I know.
So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I don't.
No? Okay. All right. So, are you a student?
Sorry,
Do
what are
you
you saying?
are you in elementary school?
I'm in Kalube school.
Okay. What is your favorite subject in school?
My
Do you like?
favorite, my
Uh-huh.
favorite subject, math and English.
Okay. Nice. So, do you have class every day?
Yes, I do online class every day.
Okay. So what time do you study?
I study. My timetable is from 8:45 to 12:45. And in between, sometime class will be 8:45 start and finish in 8:12, and it break in between. It has a
Okay.
break in between, and the 1 hour's break, and also break to lunch.
Okay. Okay. So, do you like the online classes?
Yes, I like, but I like to most go to school because there I play with my friends and gain more knowledge than online classes.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, do you so you study from 8:45 to 12, you said, right?
12:45.
12:45.
I
Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me about your routine? So, after school, what do you usually do?
I do my lunch.
Okay, you have lunch. Okay.
Yes, I do my lunch after that, and then I play. mm, And
Okay.
after that, I revise my work, what I read and write. I revise.
Okay. Okay. So, so what do you like to do? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have any hobbies: reading book and playing game and writing.
Okay. So, what kind of books do you like to read?
I like to storybook and also I like to read in my school books. In school books, there are stories types of. I like Puppy and I, Marigold, mm, the Golden Deer.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me about your favorite book? What is it about? Can you tell me a little more?
Mm. My favorite book. My favorite book is Marigold. In school, I like to read Marigold because it is many good story and fantastic. The Magic Garden story I like to read these stories, and Lion and Camel
Okay. Okay. So
and
what?
the
Mhm.
butterfly in Snow Garden.
Okay. So what is the book about? Can you tell me about the story?
I can tell you one or two story. I
Okay.
like the butterfly in Sonu Garden. Once upon a time, there was Sonu. In his garden, a butterfly flew, and he want to catch the butterfly, and butterfly sit on the rose bed. Then he come closer, but butterfly flew away, and then sit on a pond. There was a pond, and sit on white lotus. and the Sonu jump in the water, and then butterfly also flew. Then Sonu see up and down. He found the butterfly is the peach tree near the wall and the beautiful flower. Then he climbed up. Then butterfly also. Um, Flew away. Then he searched where it is, and at last he found in the butterfly a spider web. The spider looked hungry, and butterfly want to escape with his spider web, but butterfly can't escape the spider web.
Okay.
Because Sonu, spider come near the butterfly, then Sonu catch the butterfly. The butterfly with pretty, wings is yellow and brown color also. Hmm.
Okay.
And then Sonu butterfly looks sad in Sonu hands because Sonu who want to butterfly happy because Sonu leave the butterfly from his hand, and butterfly against happy and free and go all of there rosebud, lotus leaf and peach tree and again free. The story is finished.
Okay. So it was a happy story because the butterfly was
Yes,
happy again. Nice. Okay. All right. So you said you also like to write.
yes.
Okay. So what do you like to write? Do you like to write stories or
I like to write stories.
okay, okay. So you like to write stories like something like the butterfly or something different?
Something different. I write a cartoon story. I mix all of the cartoon in that story. I like Doraemon, Peter Pan, and Chota Bheem. All of the cartoon Arjun. And this cartoon I mix in that story and make a long story. Hmm. But it
Okay.
is not finished.
Okay, okay. Wow. So do you like to watch movies or TV or
I like to watch cartoon movie, not a dangerous movie.
okay. So what is your favorite cartoon movie?
My favorite cartoon movie is Uda Black Hole movie.
Wow,
Uda Black Moon movie. Uda Black Moon movie.
okay. I've never seen that movie. What is it about?
It is about a cartoon. I like a cartoon name. It is magical movie. In cartoon, there was a boy named Uda, and he's a grandson of his grandfather.
Okay.
He called his grandfather Dadaji, and he live in a magical city, and there was one more city side after that, and first city, that city name is Kal City, and where the other live, that city name is Sun City. Hmm. Kal City has a big magician named Sakal, and that is bad magician, but the grandfather of Uda is the Sun City big magician. He good person, and the story in this is the movie. The Sakal think to put the he want to take the Sun City and Kal City both. And
Okay.
because he is grandfather, the grandfather, he think he will put in black moon, but he already come then that place, and he trapped here. Then other he come go there, and he also trapped because Yoda go there and fight with the enemies and win also.
Okay. Okay. So it was also a happy movie, right? Because they won, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
All right. Wow. so
It is, Then on that black moon, there was some leaf magician. They want to, they can't come on the sunshine because they are making a rocket to make the sun black, right? And they go all of the place and the fight them and win, fight, and then he leave them there, and they live in black moon also.
Okay. Okay. Wow. It sounds like a very interesting movie. Okay. So you said you like to play games too, right?
I like to play indoor game and outdoor game also. I play in indoor game chess, ludo. I have chess. I play with my father and mother, and I always win. And with my friends sometimes, and I win.
Okay. Okay. All right. So do you like any activities outside? Like any sports or any games outside?
Yes, I like football to play outside.
Okay. Okay.
You like?
Yeah, I do.
What game do you like outside?
Actually, for me, I like basketball. I like tennis. What else? Basketball, tennis. Skiing on the ice.
I like to skating on the ice.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Is it easy or difficult?
It is easy. When we think anything easy, that we feel that thing easy. When we think that is difficult, then we feel difficult.
Okay, I agree with you. I think you're right. Okay, so we always have to think in a good way, right?
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
We always think positive, and we always think we can do that, and we think we can do that. Then we never like to do that. When we do that, then we not feel scary or scary. Like,
Okay, all right. So, do you know what you want to do when you grow up? Do you have an idea?
yes, I make scientist
Scientist.
and experiment.
Wow. Okay, so you like science.
Yes, I like to make scientist.
Okay. Wow. That's very nice. You said you don't have any brothers or sisters, right?
Yes, I don't have.
Okay. Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have.
Okay, okay. But do you have cousins that are the same age? No?
No.
Okay, all right. All right. Well, it was very nice to meet you.
Mm.
And your English is very good.
Nice to meet
All
you.
right. Good luck with everything.
Nice to meet
All
you.
right. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.